Hello everyone, today I'm gonna play against Taijam 6-dan player. I'm handling the white and I'm gonna use some special tactics. I am white but I am planning to use the cosmic style. Yeah. So I really want to handle the center, yeah, like Takemiya, yeah, Masaki. Do you know the Takemiya Masaki? When I was young, he was one of my favorite player. His game style was very cool. Yeah. Okay. Now he just punished my this move by double pincer. This time I really want to handle the center, so I'm gonna handle my left hand side. Cosmic style main point is always we have to challenge challenge to catch the center, and the step shouldn't be the slow. Oh, he just 10. Okay, fine. Now speed, I can say the speed is one of the main point, and then it has to be always cool. Yeah, we have to use the cool method. However, we have to be good at surround the center. Yeah, that's the first point, and then you have to willing to catch the center. And now he has to decide. Yeah. Oh, but now if black plays here, you know that this is the vital point. Now after this, he has to accept bad shape. Like he can connect here. I will just keep surround here, and then you can see that shape is a bit too concentrated. Normally in this situation, if he has to connect here, he should feel a little bit painful. Yeah, because now the shape is a bit not so beautiful. Yeah, and then still, I'm just keep holding this cosmic style. Can I just use it? Yeah, and then he has to hane or jump. Yeah, still my cosmic style hasn't completed. Okay, just beat the vital point first. What about he just captured the by letter? This vital point was too much. Oh, he really wanna catch the sente. Somehow my cosmic style is good. He doesn't really let me use that. Okay. Oh, he wanna take the capturing race here. Yeah. And now the capturing race condition. If he can't capture, then he should be fear also. He will not have enough territory. Atari is gonna be sente, but he is thinking to make the net. But now when he blocks here, now I can go out here, right? Yeah, so he can't use that. Sacrifice is possible, yeah. But now if he wanna save, suddenly it will be separated. Now they have nothing to do, so 4 stones has to just keep run away. Then became this group will be in big trouble. Yeah, I really wanted to use the cosmic style, but it seems not easy, especially when we are handling the white is even harder than when we are handling the black, because black is starting first. Okay, now he has to just keep around here. It's gonna be the best answer anyway. Still black can have a chance now, because all those are his center, and then he can return to capture the center once this stone. This is actually quite important now. Oh, they are first. Push, okay, not good. I just need to capture. Let him surround one more. But this is not gonna be sente, I think. He's thinking about that. Okay. This is quite important now. He has to capture the ladder by ladder. Can he? What about I go out? Please capture me by ladder. When you capture here, I'm gonna cut. If you go out, then I can return. Now this is my trap. He shouldn't capture by ladder. If he capture, then I will cut here, and it will be the hunting time. If he just goes out here, then still cutting doesn't work. He can just Atari. When I connect, he can just capture. So black has only one choice. He has to just go out here. He shouldn't try to capture here. If he goes out, then actually it's fine. Now black is no problem. Oh, he just captured. Okay, then now it's hunting time. I need to capture. If black cannot save this group, then he will feel very upset. Actually black has an insurance. He can just block here and then he can hane and then double hane. Yeah, there is some core. Yeah, it's not really clean, but still there it seems one black white black white black white. There is a cutting. Core is even not that easy. Anyway, he can even think about the wedge here. Can it be possible? But some's not easy. Okay, so now I think if he captured by cutting, he has to use the two stones position. You know, there is a sentence that capturing two stones are for 60 point value. Have you heard that sentence? Yeah, actually that's really fact. He can even use this potential to develop the territory at the right hand side or lower side. Yeah, still he can catch up the chance. And even peep connect block can make the upper side as well. So okay, now he wanna have a cutting fighting. He is hoping to make the massive fighting. Now I'm ready to get his cutting. Okay, he's making all the sente. He should do that. And then I will just make the like ladder. It's not ladder, but I will just keep go out here. Okay. Double hane, but seems not easy to surround. If he cannot surround, then he will feel very painful now. Yeah, because you know even his the upper side potential is gone away, and now became his that I told you the 60 points. The influence is also gone away, so he really have to catch me. But somehow the white is going out faster than black. Okay. I really wanted to use the cosmic style, but cosmic style is nowadays not easy to use that. Yeah, their reduced timing was really good. Okay, I have to just try to go out as much as possible. Okay. Of course, if I can make two eyes, that's gonna be the best for me. And now this one, I really want to get the the base at the side. Yeah. Okay, so I made some base here, so I don't have to be worried about the fighting between this group and here. But of course, he can still press this group. Yeah, that will be the hardest way for me. Okay, now he is pressing here, but I don't think that this group is in danger. I'm gonna support the upper side group here. So yeah, and yeah, now he will feel quite difficult now because the territory balance is not okay and capturing race condition seems not okay. He will have a feeling now there are not many liberties. Even the black just jump, he makes this sente. Just outside the liberty is around 8, but seems white has much more. So probably he will have that feeling, but just he has no choice. So in this situation, we are feeling mostly difficult to just continue to play the game. And this one is also just he wants to try to capture this group. But there is actually one aji. After I make this sente, what do you think? I have a hiding eye now. If I use my hiding eye, the aji and make one more eye, then he should capture by cut, answer, and then hane. And then you can try to search now. Okay, he's keep attacking me. He really want to capture this way. Okay, now the white doesn't have one eye, right? Yeah, but now there is a hiding eye. I can push here. He can't. He really connect, really. Yeah, if he just block here, I can Atari 2 stone, and then when he saves here, I can make one eye. I think when he was trying to capture here, he realized that. but now he really do not have other choice, so he cannot stop. Okay, so now when we yeah, now black doesn't have a territory, so he will feel really upset at this moment. Yeah, but just now he couldn't really stop. There is some aji, hane, and then double hane, but this ko is also not that easy because there is a cutting point. Okay, now he just resigned. Okay, I really wanted to use the cosmic style with white, but it was not easy. Yeah, so just naturally, it was the fighting game. Let me check. Oh, why I can't use that? Okay, now, okay, let me set up. Yeah, the review. Beginning was okay. He even knows the Joseki well, and this Joseki was fine. Yeah, the main point of the I really wanted to make the larger, but the cosmic style usually need to have a cool move instead of the common move, so I just used that. Yeah, now black has to set up the here. Somehow the performance was a bit heavy. Actually, this pip was a bit overplayed for me. Yeah, now when he exchange, this was actually pretty good. If he just cut here and then capture, now you know the black doesn't really have to care about the cutting point here. So now when he captures here, white is in trouble. Yeah, so actually cutting was very nice timing. Just that he wanted to continue to have a capturing race, but that was too much. He can just stop, but now when he saves here, became this cutting point was it was in big trouble. But even now, if he just goes out here and then continue, then still acceptable to play. But now when he just capture here, this was captured. Yeah, I wanted to use the cosmic style, but it was naturally the fighting game. And then now if he wanna hold up the game, then this was like he can just keep trying to surround. Yeah, still he has a potential, the capturing and the upper side. No matter the situation is good or not, yeah, we shouldn't give up. Yeah, because now if white can just keep go out like this, actually surrounding is quite amazing. Don't you think like that? Yeah, actually black really has a chance. But now he wanted to continue to have a cutting fighting. But if white keep goes out here, then somehow black cannot stop the white. That's why black has to feel quite painful. Yeah, at this moment. If he was just stopping and then just sacrifice, then still he was having the chance. Yeah, and then now I wanted to use the some Tetsuji and make the base, and I just return here. Because here also, if black just plays around here, then still I need to take the capturing race. But if I play there first, yeah, but now I can care less. Yeah. So even here, I don't have the influence of that, and I just have a just capturing race. Still, white is gonna be faster. I didn't count, but maybe. Yeah. And then yeah, and yeah, after this, I think you should feel quite sad. Yeah, for this situation. Yeah. Okay, so now I couldn't make the cosmic style, but it was like fighting style, and my one of the my ladder. Yeah, when I just go out the ladder, it was my trap. Yeah, my trap was successful. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. Then see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.